Chapter 3. Taking care of surroundings. Surroundings are our immediate environment. We must take care of it so that our living conditions improve and we are able to stay healthy and lead a comfortable life. Let us learn about the importance of making the surroundings clean. 1. Care of parks and gardens. The purpose of making parks and gardens is to make the surroundings look beautiful. All parks and gardens have beautiful plants and flowers. Green grass looks beautiful. Many people visit these places for morning and evening walks. Some parks and gardens are big and famous. Here people visit to enjoy picnic. There are swings for the children. Sometimes people start littering in these beautiful places. It destroys the surroundings and damages the beauty of landscape. The purpose of making parks and gardens is lost by spoiling the surroundings. In some areas, stray animals enter and destroy the surroundings of parks and gardens. It is very important to protect the surroundings. A man should be deployed as watchman who should not allow animal in the parks and gardens. Entry to public should also be restricted so that the miscreants do not enter who pluck flowers and damage the beauty. 2. Care of orchards. Orchards are big gardens or farm-like places where fruit trees are cultivated. These are common in the mountains and hills. Activity. Name any fruit that is produced in your state. Fruit of these orchards are supplied to all other parts of the country. These juicy and delicious fruits are liked by all. The orchards also need care and protection from some insects that damage the fruit trees. Some diseases of plants also damage the fruit crop. Farmers should spray the insecticides and pesticides to keep the harmful insects and pests away. The diseases of plants can also be cured by spraying the medicines. 3. Care of ponds and wells. Ponds and wells are important sources of water in villages. The water of well is used for drinking purposes, but the water of ponds cannot be used for drinking, but some other purposes like irrigation. Wells have to be protected so that its water remains clean. The well should remain covered so that leaves and other waste material does not fall in the well. Sometimes animals fall in the wells and die. The water of that well does not remain fit to drinking. Such wells have to be cleaned with the help of the government. Many medicines are put in such wells before consuming. Clothes should not be washed on the well. The dirty water may again fall in the well. The water of pond is used for irrigation, therefore it should not be spoiled. In some villages, the sewage of the village is drained into the pond. The water of pond therefore gets spoiled and does not remain fit to be used. The sewage should not be released into the pond. Sometimes people take their cattle and other animals for cleaning. It also spoils the water of the pond. Such activities should also be banned. 4. Care of buildings. There are some buildings that have historical importance but remain neglected. Such buildings get damaged or destroyed. We should take care of such buildings. Timely maintenance and repair can prolong their life and our heritage can be saved. Similarly, many museums also suffer neglect. They contain many valuable items of historical importance. They are also part of our heritage. If we do not take care of them, they will soon get destroyed. Government should also take interest in maintaining them. Similarly, some sanctuaries also remain neglected. Many birds make their homes. They come from distant of the country parts due to change in seasons. The sanctuary of Bharatpur is very famous. Here, birds come from Siberia every year when cold season starts there. They remain there for several months and add to the beauty of the area. If we do not take care of them, the birds would not come. It will also affect the tourism industry. Activity. Name any heritage building of your state. Safety measures. In our environment, sometimes some accidents occur. If we adopt the safety measures, some of the accidents can be controlled and in other cases, the effect of accident can be reduced considerably. Here, we shall discuss the safety measures of fire, earthquake and flood. 1. Fire. Fire often takes place due to negligence of man. Sometimes the source of fire is kitchen and sometimes it is electric wires. In kitchen, the gas stove should be used carefully. The clothes of ladies catch fire when they touch the gas stove. Sometimes the short circuiting can also lead to the outbreak of fire. Fire can be controlled by installing good quality switches and wires. The electrical appliances should be regularly checked. In case of fire, put sand if the source of fire is electricity. If we put water, we may get electric current. If anyone catches fire to his clothes, put a blanket on his body and throw water on him. Activity. What is the telephone number of fire brigade in your city? The main switch should be switched off immediately. The fire brigade should be called at the earliest. 2. Earthquake. Earthquake is a very serious and natural accident. We cannot control it, but we can run for safety. Whenever earthquake comes, the earth trembles. When earthquake is very strong, the buildings may collapse and kill the occupants. Therefore, we should vacate the buildings at the earliest. After vacating, we should not remain standing close to the building but run in the open area where fallen buildings cannot affect us. After the earthquake, if we find some fallen buildings, we must try to pull out the occupants. There may be some injured persons. We should take them to hospital immediately. Activity. Have you ever experienced the earthquake shocks? Yes or no? 3. Flood. Flood is the sudden coming of water. It often happens when the water of the river overflows due to heavy rain. The water after coming out of river valley starts flowing sidewards and may reach some village or city. The water may also enter the houses and damage them. On such occasions, we should try to reach at the top of houses where water cannot reach. When water recedes, then we should come down. After the floods, the diseases may spread. We should take sufficient care after the floods. We should drink boiled water. Things to remember. 1. Parks and gardens are made so that the surroundings look beautiful. 2. Orchards are big gardens where fruit trees are cultivated. 3. The water of well is used for drinking purposes. 4. Many museums and sanctuaries suffer neglect. 5. The fire brigade should be called at the earliest. 6. We should vacate the buildings at the earliest in earthquake. 7. Flood water may also enter the houses and damage them. Task 1. Summative. A.